Welcome to today's video. Today's a 2-day trip, so what I figured I would do is take you guys through a full day of eating to show you guys what I eat while I work a full day. So it is 6:59 right now, so it's supposed to be 7. I have to be at the airport at 9:15 a.m. and then I'll be done tonight at 10 p.m. I'll even break down how much you're gonna get paid in a full 12-hour work day for you guys. So first off, let's start off with breakfast. 40 grams of oatmeal here. I always put a scoop of protein in here. Protein is the most satiating macro, which means it's gonna keep you fuller longer, and it's the most thermogenic, so it's gonna burn more calories throughout the day. And then I also do 2 to 3 eggs. I got 3 eggs here with 50 grams of avocado. And I always start my day with Opti greens. Come here, buddy. You got some grays since you last been on here, buddy. There you go.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning.
So first stop is gonna be Buc-ee's. We're gonna get a coffee. Hello, may I get a venti cold brew? Can I do that black with no water?
Yeah, venti cold brew black with no water. Anything else?
Could I do 2 pumps of the sugar-free cinnamon dolce in that?
Yeah, of course.
And then I have a reusable cup, so just bring it up.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Halfway on my drive to work, I realized I didn't bring my iPad, and that's like an essential item you need for work. Thankfully, I have the best girlfriend in the world. She's coming to meet me. That was a close one. The reason I realized I forgot my iPad was because I always like my watch. I sold my Apple Watch yesterday, and my watch is next to my iPad, so I usually grab my watch, grab my iPad, and when I was driving, I was like, oh, it feels weird not having my watch. And I was like, oh, poop. I didn't grab my iPad. So yeah, thank God I remember that, and then thankfully I have a great girlfriend. Today must be my lucky day. I never like pull into the garage and get the first spot on the first. We made it on the plane, as you can tell. We're on the 32M. This is the modified one. These are the newer seats. The crew wants to say hello. We got Amber in the back, Orlando over there, and then we got Angel over here. Angel just got thrown on the trip this morning. He was on call at 3. So he's a baby blue. So we're gonna show him the ropes. If he has any questions, we're gonna help him out, but he's gonna kill it. We're going to Savannah first, and then we're coming back to Boston, and then we're gonna go to Tampa tonight. All right, what's up guys? So we are in Savannah. We get about like 35 minutes. So we're gonna hop off, but really quickly, Roxy wants to say hello.
Hi,
you got a YouTube channel, right?
Yes, the 5R Beats. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah, so check out our channel. And you're AO here?
Yes, AO in Savannah.
How do you like it?
I love
trying to go Inflight, or are you staying AO?
Maybe when my kids get older, but not right now.
Okay. All right. Well, go check out our channel. We're gonna hop off, eat some food, and then we'll be back. See you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so we got about 15 minutes until we start boarding. So I'm gonna have meal number 2. Meal number 2 is 4 ounces of chicken with barbecue sauce on there, and then I have 2 slices of grilled zucchini. The Boston to Savannah flight was booked at 2:52. We did it in about 2 hours and 1 minute, but you get paid for the maximum that they block it at. So 2:52 for first flight. If I go under those hours, say we get in early, they don't take away, they continue to pay you. At the end of this video, I'll tell you guys like how many hours worked versus how many hours paid. So I'm gonna sit back, relax, eat my food. Orlando, he got some coffee. Amber's got chocolate in the back. Angel's got nothing. So we are in Boston. We're in the crew lounge right now. So I'm eating meal number 3. I have about 3 ounces of steak with about 100 grams of brown rice. So on our flight in from Savannah, we got an update from crew scheduling that we are delayed. So our original departure time was supposed to be 6:25, and now it's like scheduled for like 8:20 p.m. We're looking at about a 2-hour delay, and we got in here around like 4:05 p.m. So technically, we're gonna be sitting around for 4 hours, not getting paid in the crew lounge. I know. How do you guys feel about that? Do you guys wanna hop in?
No.
Down?
I'll tell you.
No bueno. But I'm gonna eat this, and then I got one of these Omega bars. See you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, surprise! We are on the plane! We got a new plane. They swapped our plane. So what happens, so even though it was delayed, there's still a chance that they can swap the plane for a new one. So instead of doing a 8:20 departure, we're doing a 6:25. So we're back on time, which is cool because now we get to Tampa at a decent time, relax. We get a full flight, so it is the Super Bowl, which means there's gonna be a lot of drinks sold. Mind you, the last 2 flights we did today, none of the TVs worked, but the passengers were awesome. They're like troopers about it. We're gonna be boarding here in the next 10 minutes or so. So I had meal number 3 basically for the day. My next meal is gonna be turkey burger and rice. What's up?
Sorry. Sorry, it's Mr. Popular over here. May I have your autograph? Oh my god. I'm melting.
I know. It's very humbling. It's awesome. Whenever I go to the crew lounge, people say hi to me and they like say, "Hey, I'll watch your videos." Like, so it's kind of cool. Like, it's really motivating and like inspires me to continue to do what I do. So thank you guys for stopping and saying hi to me. It means the world to me. And then my crew ends up making fun of me because people come and say hi to me. It is what it is. And thank you guys for that. I really appreciate it. Orlando, you want to tell me your story?
I made it on time, but since we were delayed like 3 hours or so, I went to my crash pad, I took a bath, you know. I was even going to go to the supermarket. Thank God I did it. Then they changed the time to 7:10. So I said, I still have some time, let me take a bath. So then, when I was already ready, they changed it to 6:25. So I ran from my crash pad to the bus station. There was no bus, of course, so I paid a taxi, $25. And after that, I got random. Of course, why not? You know?
So what random means is like we have like our own security, and sometimes they let you through, and then sometimes they send you through regular security. He got picked to go through regular security, so it kind of like extended his time to get here. But he still beat us to the airplane.
Yeah, then I ran.
And we're like, why are you sweating?
And then I ran to the gate and everything, and people were thinking like, no, I'm commuting. Because you're not gonna say you're not.
That's hilarious.
But I make it,
But he made it. We're good. We're going to Tampa.
Yay, let's do it.
So really quickly before I go to bed, I want to go over flight hours today, how many hours I flew, how many hours I've been clocked in, and how many hours I was actually paid for. They give you a trip before you even fly, and they kind of block it off as like an hourly flight. They're like, okay, you're gonna probably fly this amount of hours. For instance, the Boston to Savannah, they said that we were gonna fly, they blocked us at 2 hours and 52 minutes, but we actually ended up flying 2 hours and 22 minutes. Now, they're never gonna pay you less than what they blocked you at. They'll pay you more than what you fly over. We ended up flying 2 hours and 22 minutes, but we got paid for 2 hours and 52 minutes of flight time. That goes the same thing for the next 2 flights we did, Savannah to Boston, blocked in at 2:19, paid for 2:23. And then Boston to Tampa, blocked in at 3:35. We came in at 3:03. So they're always gonna pay you the greater amount of hours and minutes, and they're not going to take away, if that makes sense. Total flight hours today was 7:45, 7 hours and 45 minutes. Total hours paid for today was 8 hours and 46 minutes, which sounds pretty good, right? But if you kind of look at the amount of hours that have been clocked in since work, so I checked in at work at 9:15. They clocked us out at 9:26 p.m. So that's 12 hours and 11 minutes. So I'm missing, there was 3 hours and 25 minutes blocked where I was not paid today, my full hourly pay. We do get paid per diem. So that means any hour you're away from home from check-in till you get back home, you get paid per diem. And per diem's not taxed if you do overnighters, so it's always good to do overnighters, and then they tax it if you do like just day turns and stuff. I hope that kind of gives you guys a rough idea of what it's kind of like for a 12-hour workday, like what to expect to get paid and how many hours expected to work. And I hope you guys enjoyed the little food thing I did for you guys. I ended up eating my last meal on the flight. I did 4 ounces turkey burger with 120 grams of brown rice, and then I just had a whole boiled egg, and now I'm sipping on some bubbly before I go to bed. And then of course guys, don't forget your nasal care. If you guys haven't seen this in my last video, it's like the neti pot on steroids. It basically just like clears out your whole nose and it's like the best investment I've ever purchased. So drink my bubbly, do this, studying for my fit ops that I have coming up here in February. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video so far. We got one more day of the trip. I'm gonna be here all day tomorrow. Tomorrow I want to talk to you guys about like the future and direction of my channel, because as you can tell, my channel just doesn't encompass the life of a flight attendant. It's the life of an Army National Guard soldier. I'm also pursuing a bunch of goals. I created a logo and a name that I kind of want to talk to you guys about here soon. And I created this logo actually last year. I've been able to sit on this logo for a year now in the name, and it just like has stuck in my head. I love what the name is. I love what the logo is about. It's a great logo, and it really encompasses me and all that I'm doing. And I think it's a great logo that can encompass other people that are trying to do the same thing. I think it'd be a cool thing. So I'm excited to share this with you guys this year. This is kind of like my big project on top of like going to flight school, getting my personal training certificate. But this is like my big project. And I'm really excited to share this with you guys. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Finishing editing, went down to the pool. I noticed that there really wasn't that much sun at this pool, so I only stayed down there for like 15 minutes, ate my lunch, came back up. I did that 30-minute yoga routine that I did last time, and I'm telling you guys, like, stretching is amazing. I think it's gonna be like something that I start incorporating a lot more. I think I'm gonna make like stretching and cardio like 75% of my fitness routine. Before I head to the airport, I'm going to drink my greens, eat an apple. So see you guys. We're flying on a friend like Blue. We got one flight today. We're doing Tampa to Boston. I think this is blocked at like 2:50. I'll have to double check. But yeah, ended up getting myself a coffee. I don't even know if you can call this a coffee. This is a cup of cream. I got the salted cream cold foam cold brew, but he loaded it with the cream and cold foam.
Yes.
You want to say hello?
Hello.
Say hello to Ada. She's part of the crew, cleaning, MVP right here, so thank you for the help.
Awesome.
Oh. So this is Janice.
Janice, hello. I'm commuting up to Boston to work.
How do you like that? So
It's been easy. Tampa to Boston, 4 to 5 trips a day. It's not bad.
When did you graduate?
February of last year, so I'm almost 1 year in.
So you're almost on reserve then too.
18 away from the line.
Awesome, 18 people.
I'm close.
Hell yeah.
Hang in there, guys. It's worth it.
You want to say hello to the YouTube people?
Sure, why not?
This is Kim. She's also part of the Jetblue crew, helping out clean.
Yes.
Thank you, Kim. I appreciate it. We are in Tampa, so if you see Kim or Ada, say hello to them.
Yes. Hey,
Thanks,
hey,
Kim.
Chunchi.
Chachi?
Chunchi. Hey, Ida. We call her Chunchi.
Chunchi.
Our little Chunchi.
That's awesome. Hey guys, I'm coming to say hello. So Amber said she was gonna bring us gummy bears today. And if you guys know, gummy bears are my favorite candy.
This is true.
And she said she ate her gummy bears as she drove by the store and didn't pick up any extra for us, so thanks, Amber.
I was saving you so you could be nice and healthy.
So wait, you have a house in Tampa and then you have a place in Boston.
Yes.
How do you manage that as a flight attendant? Well,
I mean,
well,
I don't know how to answer that
money
question.
bags.
I fly back and forth and go to both.
Okay.
So.
How do you like commuting? You like commuting?
I just started. It's 2 months. So.
Okay.
It's okay. It's okay right now.
Is it difficult, like at the flight loads from Tampa to Boston? Pretty
Tampa's
good?
easier
Tampa's
because
easier?
there's more flights.
Okay.
So, doing okay. Doing okay.
I'm just getting tired. Orlando!
He's a commuter from San Juan, so
Hey.
that's a little bit more difficult.
Hey man, you commute from San Juan. How is it? To make life easier for commuting, like you do 4-day trips, 3-day trips, 2-day trips?
Normally I do 3 days or 4-day trips. I stack them all, and then I have like a week off.
Cool,
Go
cool.
home and then fly back and start
Yes,
all
so
over
you-
again.
Jesus.
It's not bad. It's not bad.
I just
So-
go back.
And home is home. You know how it is. I love it around, but home is home.
Yeah, anyways, thanks guys, appreciate it. I just wanted to come back here, put Amber on blast for not bringing us gummy bears, and then
Next time.
ask them about the commuting life. Jonathan!
What's up, buddy? How are you, man?
This is supposed to be Iran, which means remain overnight, which means we don't have to clean the plane, but they ended up giving this plane to somebody going to Fort Myers, so we had to clean the plane. And then when we were done cleaning the plane, there were cleaners here to clean the plane. So that's how it goes. See you guys at the house.